So you've received a letter letting you know about an offer from a private market insurer as part of the Citizens Depopulation Program. You're probably wondering, what is depopulation? And how did I get picked? Let's start from the beginning. The Florida legislature created Citizens Property Insurance in 2002 as a not-for-profit government entity. Although created by the state of Florida, Citizens is financially backed by policyholder premiums. From the very start, Citizens was created to be the insurer of last resort, which means Citizens, unlike other insurance companies, does not try to get bigger by writing new policies. Rather, it writes policies only for those properties and owners who could not find insurance coverage in the private market. Because Citizens is the insurer of last resort, a policy written with Citizens should be temporary. Your property should only be insured by Citizens when private insurance companies cannot provide coverage. In a healthy insurance market, regular insurance companies generally provide broader insurance coverage for your property over the long term, often at prices lower than Citizens. To help Citizens fulfill its mission of being the insurer of last resort, Florida law requires that Citizens work with private insurers to replace Citizens policies with private insurance policies. This is done by facilitating offers of replacement policies from private insurance companies to policyholders multiple times throughout the year. This process is called depopulation. The depopulation process starts when a private insurer requests that the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation, or OIR, grant them permission to participate in an upcoming depopulation. The OIR carefully reviews and determines if the insurer can participate. If approved, the insurer identifies the policies they would like to depopulate from Citizens and provides this list to Citizens. Citizens combines the offers from all the insurance companies, along with the premium and coverage details, and sends the information to you. This is the depopulation packet you recently received in the mail. The depopulation process occurs multiple times per year, and it is possible to receive multiple packets over the course of the year. Your policy is eligible to be depopulated immediately upon becoming a Citizens policyholder and remains eligible for as long as you have the Citizens policy. We encourage you to review the offers with your insurance agent to help determine the best choice. In some instances, there will be only one offer to consider. However, it is still important that you speak with your insurance agent to understand any differences in coverage between your Citizens policy and the private insurer's policy. Often, a policy offered by the private market can include coverage such as screened enclosure protection, increased liability limits, golf cart coverage, and other valuable enhancements. In many cases, you can customize your policy and select the coverages not offered by Citizens. These coverages may even be available at a lower premium than a Citizens policy. Now that we've explained what depopulation is and how it works, let's answer the question, why did I get picked? Simply put, you were not picked. Your property was picked. And for a very simple reason. The insurer believes the characteristics of your property make it a good risk to insure. Every insurer uses a different formula to determine whether they want to insure your home. They analyzed many variables to make this determination. Among them, the location of your home, construction features, and its age. One or more participating insurers selected your home because of these desirable characteristics. To recap, depopulation is a process of removing policies from Citizens and placing them in the private market. Depopulating Citizens policies helps ensure Citizens meets its legislatively mandated role of providing insurance only to those properties that cannot find coverage in the private market. Your policy is among thousands selected based on the characteristics of your home. Offers of coverage can come throughout the year as long as you are a Citizens policyholder. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the next video in our series explaining the depopulation packet to continue learning about the depopulation process. If you have any questions, contact your agent or visit our website at www.citizensfla.com/depopulation. Stay tuned for more videos to learn about your Citizens policy and insurance information.